Have you ever heard of a spice that tastes like a mix of cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and pepper all at once? It sounds like a secret blend, right? Well, today we're diving deep into a single, magical spice that does just that, allspice. Despite its name, allspice isn't a mixture of spices. It's actually the dry berry of an evergreen tree called Pimenta dioica, native to the Caribbean, Mexico, and Central America. Its name comes from the fact that its complex flavor profile genuinely tastes like a combination of several popular warm spices. It's a cornerstone in Caribbean cuisine, a secret ingredient in many Middle Eastern dishes, and a beloved addition to baked goods and desserts worldwide. So, what makes this little berry so special? The magic lies in its active compounds. The star of the show is eugenol, the same compound that gives cloves their signature aroma and powerful medicinal properties. Eugenol is known for being anti-inflammatory and providing pain relief. Allspice also contains quercetin, a potent antioxidant, and gallic acid, which has antimicrobial effects. Beyond these, it offers small amounts of vitamins like A, C, and the B complex, along with essential minerals such as iron, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. It's a tiny powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Let's explore the incredible health benefits of incorporating allspice into your diet. First and foremost is its amazing effect on digestive health. Have you ever felt gassy, bloated, or struggle with indigestion after a meal? Allspice might be your new best friend. Traditionally, it's used as a carminative, which is just a fancy word for something that helps relieve gas. The eugenol in allspice works by stimulating your digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more efficiently. At the same time, it helps relax the muscles in your intestines, which can ease stomach cramps and that uncomfortable, tight feeling. A little allspice in your meal could make a big difference in how you feel afterward. Next up, let's talk about its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. This is another area where eugenol shines. If you suffer from joint pain, muscle aches, or even mild arthritis, the anti-inflammatory action of allspice can offer some gentle relief. Think of it as nature's ibuprofen. While it won't replace your medication, consistently including it in your diet can contribute to reducing overall inflammation in your body. In traditional medicine, people even used allspice oil or a warm poultice of crushed berries applied directly to the skin to soothe sore muscles. It's a time-tested remedy for everyday aches and pains. We can't talk about health benefits without mentioning antioxidants. Our bodies are constantly under attack from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and various diseases. Allspice is packed with antioxidants like quercetin and gallic acid that help neutralize these free radicals. By fighting off this oxidative stress, allspice can support your heart health, protect your cells, and may even help slow down the aging process. Adding a sprinkle of this spice is an easy and delicious way to boost your body's defenses. Another fascinating benefit is its antimicrobial power. For centuries, people have used spices not just for flavor, but also for preservation. Allspice is a great example of this. Its compounds can help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi. This is why you'll often find allspice as a key ingredient in pickling brines and marinades. It doesn't just make your pickled vegetables taste amazing, it also helps keep them safe to eat. This natural preservative quality highlights just how powerful this humble berry truly is. Finally, there's some emerging evidence that allspice might offer mild support for blood sugar regulation. While it is absolutely not a treatment for diabetes, some studies suggest that the compounds in allspice can help stabilize blood sugar levels after a meal. Including it as part of a balanced, healthy diet could be a helpful strategy for anyone looking to maintain steady energy levels and support their metabolic health. Now, while allspice is wonderful, it's important to use it wisely. Like anything, too much of a good thing can be bad. Overconsumption of allspice, especially in concentrated forms, can lead to some unpleasant side effects. We're talking about nausea, vomiting, or irritation of your stomach lining. This is mainly due to the high concentration of eugenol. So, enjoy it in your food, but don't go overboard. Some people might also have a sensitivity to eugenol. If you notice any irritation in your mouth or stomach, or any other allergic reactions after consuming allspice, you might be one of them. It's always best to listen to your body. For those who are pregnant or breastfeeding, using allspice in normal culinary amounts like in a batch of cookies or a stew is generally considered safe. However, it's best to avoid medicinal doses like concentrated supplements or essential oils, just to be on the safe side. Also, a word of caution if you're on certain medications. Eugenol can have a mild blood-thinning effect, so if you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, you should be mindful of your allspice intake to avoid increasing your risk of bleeding. If you have stomach ulcers or GERD, the spice might irritate your condition, so it's best to use it sparingly or consult your doctor. What about for the little ones? Is allspice safe for children? The answer is yes, absolutely, when used in small amounts in their food. A pinch in oatmeal or a family dinner is perfectly fine. Just avoid giving them concentrated forms like essential oils or supplements. So, how can you start using this amazing spice in your kitchen? It's incredibly versatile. The most common form is ground allspice. You can add it to baked goods like cakes, pumpkin pie, and cookies for a warm, complex flavor. It's fantastic in spice rubs for meats like pork or chicken, and it adds a wonderful depth to hearty soups, stews, and chilies. A little goes a long way, usually. A quarter to a half teaspoon is all you need for an entire recipe. You can also buy whole allspice berries. These are perfect for pickling, where they slowly release their flavor into the brine. You can also toss a few into marinades for meat or add them to the liquid. When you're poaching fruit, just remember to remove them before serving, as biting into a whole berry can be quite intense. For a soothing digestive aid, you can even make allspice tea. Simply crush 2 or 3 whole allspice berries to release their oils, and steep them in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. It's a simple, comforting drink that's perfect after a heavy meal. Just stick to 1 cup a day. To keep your allspice fresh and potent, storage is key. Whether it's ground or whole, store it in an airtight container away from direct sunlight, heat, and moisture. Your spice cabinet is the perfect spot. Whole berries will retain their flavor much longer than ground spice, so for the best taste, you can buy them whole and grind them yourself just before using. To sum it all up, allspice is a uniquely flavorful spice with a warm, sweet, and peppery profile. Its main benefits are for digestion and reducing inflammation, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. It's best used in baking, stews, and pickling. Just remember to use it in moderation to avoid any potential side effects. So next time you're in the spice aisle, don't just walk past the allspice. Grab a jar and start experimenting. You'll be amazed at the depth and warmth it can bring to your favorite dishes. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of spices, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy cooking!